Okay, here's a little sound recording of the fans after I balanced them. Let's see if I can do this here without falling over, but just a little small spool up. Smooth. And then throughout the whole range. So it's not too bad. I do have one coat of Minwax on it, and I think I've got it. I think I might have to go for a couple more coats, but we'll see. So far, it's looking good, sounding good. Got air breathing through the port in the bottom. To the ESCs. Well, and then a couple holes out the backside to allow air out. And I cut them at such an angle that it should create a venturi to help actually suck air out the back of it. And I did the little clip mod inside. Well, you can't see that, so I guess never mind. Maybe you can. It's just a little, what do you call it? Easy connector in there. I undid the rod from the inside, which is, one moment. I undid the steering rod, oops, upside down, on the inside here, loosened it up entirely, and slid the whole rod out the front, put a quick connect in where it needed to be up front, then slid it all the way back through the tube and hooked it back in through here. And that was the easiest way to get the quick connect on that I could think of to fix the steering wheel slippage problem. And as you can see, I've got, well, the speed controller is mounted vertically, and I removed the coating, the shrink wrap off the front part, so that right now they feel no temperature whatsoever, even after that little run up. And of course, in front of there is the hole going out to the front to allow air to go through here and out the back in there. And I've kind of just tidied my stuff up with painter's tape. It's easy to remove for access, but it also holds pretty well, I think. And this is my EC5 connectors with the BEC Castle Creations separate BEC in there. Soldered in and then hot glued around it just to keep the insulation factor up. And right now I'm just testing it with Dean's connector, but the EC5 will be soldered onto the battery leads when I get the right batteries. This is just a single 4-cell I got, 3700 milliamp, so it's not big enough. I have two 3300 milliamp 4-cells on the way. So it's tidied up pretty nicely, I hope. One thing I did notice too, and I need to address this issue still, I almost forgot. The elevator, if I pull this horn off and run this in and out by hand, is extremely stiff. And that's why it's buzzing right now. There, it stopped. But it is, oh geez, it's stiff. I'm definitely going to address that issue next. I may do the solid carbon fiber rod mod, which will hopefully take care of that issue. So, I guess Other than that, she's ready to go.